show everyone a tour of the trailer. I want to take you along on this journey with me as I pack it up and as I make some changes down the road. So please join me and take a look at my 1988 Jayco trailer. As we enter through the screen door, to our right is the dining area with 2 bench seats, a nice table that fold down and turn into a small bed, a little bit smaller than a twin. Above the table is an area for storage that also folds down into sort of a bunk bed for a small child. I will be using this to store my bow and other outdoor equipment. There's also storage underneath the table, underneath the benches. It's really nice. See the storage under there? Now we're going to turn around to the kitchen, a 3-burner stove with an oven, nice storage there. Comes with a microwave. There's nice storage above the stove, a little spice rack, sink, cabinets, power. Underneath the stove, there's some nice storage for dishes. To the Alrighty, sorry. To the left is the and we are going to pan around to the storage above the couch that turns into a bed, just a little bit bigger than a twin, but not as big as a full. Gonna open up here and solar panels. So there's some nice storage. I'll probably be storing my Cricut in there and some other craft items. Nice storage right there. The closet is pretty big too. I like the windows throughout the trailer. Makes it very light in there. There's a lot of space inside the oven, enough space for one person, maybe even 2. And we make our way back to the it's 17 feet total, and the body is 12 foot in length. Lots of windows. The solar is on the top. There's a battery. I'm charging it right now. If it doesn't, I will go buy probably 2 batteries. Well, that concludes the tour of my 1988 Jayco trailer. I hope you enjoyed the tour, and I hope you subscribe to my YouTube channel to follow along and see the next steps of my adventure. Thank you.